All right. Welcome everyone and a happy Monday to you all. Let's see. I love it when I go live at this time when everyone is still fresh. Okay. Wow. Forward, 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 forward. Am I seeing forward there? Get out of here, bro. Good. So, a warm morning to everyone present here. Right. So this is today's setup. This is today's setup. Let's see. 55. 55. Perfect. Well, I still have a support here that good doesn't want to break. So this is what I'm gonna look at. I'm gonna first see this push here. Okay. Okay. So it's okay. Either this first push or we get it down to our buy zone before getting the push. Okay. uh, let's make you capital letter. I think the blue. Okay, black is okay. Okay. So that's it, guys. I need this or this, but my bias for today still remains bullish. Okay. So I need either from here, it's gonna push back, or I wait for the pullback and get the main buy zone. Buying from here looks risky, although there's a support here, but it looks a bit risky because my stop loss is gonna be below this pivot here, this hanging hammer here. That's still a little bit liquidity, so it's gonna be large. If I'm buying from here, I might be risking stop loss of over 200 pips, which is not advisable. So it's best I wait for this pullback, then I ride it up to 39. Of course, if it continues from here, still not a bad idea, but the bias for today still remains bullish. That is it. All right. Well, so let's go on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been super bullish. This is an all-time high. So there is no resistance, there is no support. Let's see. There is nothing you are gonna wait for. for retest or anything. Nothing. You can see it's an all-time high. There's no support, there's no resistance. This where the resistance here, but Bitcoin has blasted them past. So right now we are trading on a high edge. Okay, there's no support, there's no resistance, so it's just boom 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 boom, it just keeps going. So the only best thing we are gonna do now is to just look for a nearest retest. Okay, well, I'm already done with this super bullish. Let me get it out so that I can see the charts properly. Missed all this, so did not come back there. Okay, Bitcoin did not come back there, so all these now are not useful. Okay, so this is Bitcoin, and as we can see, strong bullish, a little consolidation, bullish, little consolidation, bullish, little consolidation, then bullish. So once we get any consolidation here, let's draw. Once we get anything here, any consolidation here, then we should expect Bitcoin to keep being bullish. Boom. Maybe the next one will be 130, 140, 200k. Okay, so there's nothing holding Bitcoin right now. It just keeps pushing, and more or less we saw Donald Trump in the football game yesterday night, Chelsea versus PSG. So immediately Chelsea won. Look at how Bitcoin just rockets. Okay, so once we see any consolidation here, we should expect Bitcoin to fly. And then let me come back to lower time frame where we can see to look for where to make our entries. So just same thing I've been saying. You see, it's strong bullish, boom, consolidation, bullish, consolidation, bullish, consolidation, bullish, then a little consolidation here for a long while, then the impulse, boom. So that's that. So I know Bitcoin is just gonna stay a little bit here before the bullish move, just like all these ones here. They did as you want to be bullish, then most of you that bought here now must have been taken out. So it's best you wait for confirmation like this. You can see it did it, came back to confirm, still use the same points to boost. So I'm gonna wait for Bitcoin to do something like this here before the boosts. Okay, so if I get anything like this, because I prefer trading supply and demand instead of support and resistance. If I get a supply here, I get demand here, demand here, demand, then we should expect Bitcoin to be bullish. Let me switch to lower time frame to see if we are gonna see any area of supply and demand close by. There is none, except for this. There's none. Let's go to 15. Well, the buyers is still bullish, so okay, only here and here. So let me mark out this zone. This zone is still a support, which I don't think Bitcoin is gonna even come back down to that support. Okay, but it's still an area of interest, so I'm gonna mark out that zone as area of interest. Then this is the main area now that we're gonna be looking for. Okay, this is the second choice area of interest, the most choice. Bitcoin comes back down there, take a buy. Then this is the first choice for area of interest. Okay, so once I see Bitcoin coming back into those zones, I have these two zones now, but instead of that, I'm gonna use this. Why? Because I still have a supply and FVG in between here, so I'm gonna use this. Okay, so this is the main area here again, where I could be waiting for Bitcoin to come back into, so that I can take a buy. Okay, so I have two areas of interest. So once I see Bitcoin coming back into here, I'm gonna take a buy. Okay, I'm gonna take a buy from here, comes back, break here, comes back here, I'm gonna take a buy from here also. So I have two areas of interest: buy zone, buy points, and and buy zone. I don't know, this black is not beautiful for me. I prefer my blue color. Blue is the color. So buy points, buy zone. Okay, so let's see what Bitcoin has to deliver. As you can see already, it's already trying to come back down. You can see it's trying to come back down. So buy points, buy zone. Anyone that comes first, we push it. Or the bias for Bitcoin still remains bullish. Okay, 33.93 is resistance. Good rejection from D high. 33.70 entry point, stop loss 33.74, target 33.49. Okay, that's nice. I think you're actually seeing my analysis. It's nice. You said 33 for 39 now. It's 34.39. Okay, can see just what I said. So we're gonna retest here, buy or this. So anyone that happens. Meanwhile, we are still on Bitcoin. So this is for Bitcoin, 15 minutes time frame. That's me getting lower. So I have Bitcoin buy points here. And gold here. Okay, that's broken the supports here, which I said buying here it's a bit risky. I prefer buying lower here. Okay, instead of buying higher there, I prefer buying lower. Okay, so yeah, you can take a buy here and target 34.39, but meanwhile I'll be waiting for this zone here. I'll also take a buy here, but with the minimum lot size, 0.05 lot size. That's my minimum. My min is 0.1, 0.2. So that's what I'm gonna be waiting for. Okay. Welcome everyone. How are they spelling the everyone? Okay. Channel link in bio. All right, so that's that for gold and Bitcoin. I have gold here. The bias is still buy. Bitcoin also the same thing. Okay, so Let's see what Go has to offer. Okay. Where are we? I saw someone say, "Oh, Bismarck is in my special community." Please, any limits order for us in the group? Yeah, I've already dropped that. Anyone in the special group will always get the entry points. Okay. So ability. I really love your analysis. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Where's Bitcoin? Yeah, Bitcoin is still trying to, but we still have a support here. Okay, this is a support. Let me put that horizontal line. These are support, but not that strong support that would hold Bitcoin from trying to retest. Okay, but it's still valid. But I prefer this buy point and then the main buy zone here. But still everything heads towards being bullish today. Okay, everything heads towards being bullish. So let's see how the market plays out today, guys. Let's see how the market plays out today. Okay, where are we now? Let's see. Look where gold is heading to. Well, I didn't respect this entry, like I said. More risky to buy it there. It's better to wait for the buy zone here. So let's see what good has to offer from there. Hmm.
With YouTube Premium, you can watch ad-free, offline, and in the background, and listen ad-free on the YouTube Music app. One subscription, two apps. There's more to discover with Premium. Try 1 month free of charge.
Okay, let's see where we are.
With YouTube Music
Where?
Premium,
Where?
favorite songs ad-free. Download music and podcasts
Come on.
offline or on the go. Enjoy
Are you
thousands
sure
of
this live hasn't ended yet?
local stations and jam to music when your screen is
Is
off or while using other apps. There is more to discover with
who's
YouTube
active?
Music Premium. Try 1 month free of charge.
Who's active? Is this live still running? I think it has ended already. Not yet. It's still active. So this is where good is. Well, it's still trying to respect the support that we have here. As long as this closes like this, above these supports, if the next candle that opens doesn't push back down, then God is gonna respect this and keep going. Oh, still have 15 more minutes on our clock for that 1 hour candle to finish its decision. But I still remain positive. This is my main buy zone. This is a risky buy zone. Okay, this is my main buy zone. That is a risky buy zone. Let me take a screenshot of that setup. Well, Bitcoin hasn't even tried to come back down or anything.
Offline and in the background. And
Oh,
listen ad-free on the YouTube
this
Music
one
app.
E.
One subscription, 2 apps. There's more to discover with Premium. Try 1 month free of charge.
Perfect. Well, saw that coming. That's what I'm expecting from gold, right? As long as DXY is gonna sell, I should expect gold to buy. But on the other way around, DXY hasn't even bought or sold, but gold has been bullish. Okay, so let's just look at this. Well, what's my time on the live? It's 57 minutes. Okay, so I've been here for 57 minutes. Of course, few people joined, few didn't. It's not bad, but we chatted together. So that's it for good. Okay. Have a I'm gonna say have a good day, guys, because that's how I roll. I drop a setup and boom, I move on with my life. It's called set and forget. I put my buy, put my stop loss, put my buy limits, put my stop loss, and I forget. I don't check charts back to back, trying to develop for anxiety. That develops fear and anxiety and impatience, all those things, and you just be scared of your setup and all that. So that's confidence level going down because your eyes are always on the charts. You want to see how everything is moving. Before you know, you see one small candlestick and you will change your decision and say, this candlestick is inverted and is going to sell. You now close your trade. Before you know it will reverse. Well, so it's just like that in the forex space. That confidence, it's something you need to build on. You really want to make profit. So at this point, I'm gonna say thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Okay. Oh, thank you for joining. Yeah, let's see what good has to offer at the course of the day. Today is Monday, market is just opening, so I'm not gonna expect much from the market. Okay, that's just it. Well, Bitcoin hasn't even tried to come back. It just respected the support here and is trying to buy. Well, I don't rush into the market, so just leave it. Euro USD has been selling ever since my analysis. Fall, boom, full TP came back, fall. It hasn't even gone anywhere again ever since. Okay, so that's just it. I'm not even gonna analyze any other trade again because I only trade gold and Bitcoin, then other pairs based on request. You want me to analyze a setup, you can bring a pair and I'm gonna analyze that, and you trade, I also trade too. So that's just that. Good has been here throughout, so at this junction I'm gonna end my live. Okay, tried, reached 1 hour. Okay, I don't pass 1 hour on live, I have other things to do. I've reached 1 hour already on this live, so we're waiting for good to push back up from here or come back into our buy zone, buy, or take us out. This is my stop loss. My maximum stop loss is at 350. Okay, not passing that at 350. So either buy from here, come back to this buy zone, keep buying, or take me out on my maximum stop
in the
loss.
background
Okay,
and listen
so
ad-free on the YouTube
thank you
Music
everyone for
Once
joining.
two apps, there's
So I'm
more
gonna
to
end
follow.
this live
Try
here,
1 month free of charge.
and